Gotta look around.
We did this.
Took us all day yesterday. You can see this is where we keep our stuff. Got the contraption working over here. That's where the money goes. In that box right there.
And then the
Got
top
some
comes to the
graffiti.
top. And then the top here.
When you want something and you put the money in, just go over here, pull it, and your Skittles is there.
Of course, since we're like the people who made it, we can get it for free, but
Right.
y'all need to put money in there. Alright, yeah. I opened it already.
You can see how this works. Basically, this piece right here, pulls, when you pull this tab, pushes the candy into the hole. And these extra holes are to make sure that it falls all the way to the bottom. Yep. And I'm vending. Welcome to the countryside.